today we are going to be just going to the gym. I'm just gonna do a little time lapse, show you guys my quick leg workout because I only have like an hour and a half before I go to work. So we have to get this quick workout in. So yeah, let's go to the gym. I am currently walking to the gym right now because it is super nice outside today. As you can see, I'm in my tank. Sitting in the sauna now. I have not worked my legs in so long. I'm just sitting in the sauna now, getting a good sweat going. Okay, you guys, my legs are dead. Like, you don't even know. It's hard for me to walk right now. So if you guys didn't know, me and my boyfriend just recently got an apartment together. So I'm so happy about that. But we are all the way on the 3rd floor. So those stairs right now, after doing legs, I can't even catch my breath. Killer. I feel for Chris because him and my mom's boyfriend were the one who moved all the furniture up here. So props to them. I can't even walk up here carrying anything. So shout out to them for doing all that manly stuff. I'm going to shower right now and get ready for the day. I have work, I have to go to my school. I'm going to take you guys along with me for all of that. So stay watching. Also, if you guys want me to do an apartment tour, our new place, let me know in the comments. I'm probably gonna do one whether you guys want it or not. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, I'm gonna go get ready now, so let's go. Okay, you guys, I don't have a whole lot of time to get ready because I'm kind of in a rush today. So we're just going to do my makeup really, really fast. Probably just gonna comb my hair, not even gonna do it. Okay, you guys, so I just got done with my makeup. I'm going to get dressed and then go about the day. Okay, you guys, I'm in the car. I'm on the way to the school. Just talked to my dad. He said that he's gonna bring my little sister over later to see the apartment. I haven't showed her yet. She hasn't seen anything, so I'm so excited to show her and I'm gonna get her reaction. She's probably gonna be mean because she probably wants me home with her, but that's okay. Just left my school. Basically what I just did was I changed my major to nursing, so I'm gonna start doing that, like working on all of that. Hello, you guys. I just got off work. I am getting home now from work. So my dad is on his way over with my little sister. Look at this sunset. I have to show you guys the sunset from my apartment because it looks so nice and pretty. So yeah, I will show you guys when I get upstairs. Look at that. That's the view from our balcony. It is so pretty. Get to see like all the mountains and sunset. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this sunset when all those trees grow back, but hopefully we're still able to because it looks so nice. Hey. How do you like it, Bree?
It's nice. That's a big TV.